Hello and welcome to another video here on A Humble Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this beauty here. Let me show you. This is a USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter that you can plug into your notebook or whatever else you could use it for. I personally use it for my MacBook Air, which obviously only has USB-C ports. And I need this adapter to connect different devices to it, like maybe microphone or maybe an external hard drive. So yeah, this is perfect for this if you don't want to have like a full like hub next to it, and it's just the adapter. So this is by the brand of, can you read it, like 3C or Lention? I've never heard of any of those, but I'm pretty sure it's being produced in China. There you go. And let's go ahead and open it up. All right. Well, all right. It's open now, and we have a little. It's not even here. Maybe this is the manual. It is actually 12 months of warranty. Yeah, you can contact them. I mean, it's like a little it's like a little adapter. You don't really need a big manual for it. And here you can see on one side the USB 3.0, and then on the other side the USB-C port. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. That's it for this video today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye bye.